Beatmatching means making two sounds play at the same speed and in the same timing. There are two parts, tempo and timing. Tempo is the BPM. If one song is 124 BPM and the other song is 126 BPM, they are moving at different speeds. Use the tempo fader to make them closer. Timing is where the beats land. Even if two songs have the same BPM, they can still sound messy if one kick drum is slightly early or late. Start track A on the left deck. Listen to it through the speakers. Now cue the track B in your headphones. Match the BPM first. You can use the screen to help you. As a beginner, it is okay to use visual information. Your goal is to understand what is happening. Now, press play on track B and the beginning of our bar. Count with track A 1, 2, 3, 4. Start track B on the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. If track B sounds late, gently move the jog wheel forward. If it sounds early, gently move the jog wheel backward. Do not spin the jog wheel aggressively. Small movements are enough. Here is the key. Beatmatching is not magic. It is listening, adjusting, and listening again. Practice this for 10 minutes every day. Same two sounds, same starting points. Your ear will improve faster than you think.